It's the playtime!
Hey!
Hi kids! Today we're going to play with our sea animals and learn colors as these guys take a nap in the Easter grass. Black whale. He's tired. He's gonna take a nap. Sleep well. Blue hammerhead shark. He's also tired. He's gonna take a nap. Sleep well. Green seahorse. He sees his other friends taking a nap. He's gonna join them. Sleep well. Pink flamingo. Would you like to take a nap? Go ahead. The grass looks so comfortable. There they all are, kids. Pink flamingo. Green seahorse. Blue hammerhead shark. Black whale. They're all sleeping peacefully. Now it's time to take a nap. Thanks for watching, kids. Please subscribe for more great videos.